Hey YouTube, Silenceddeath here with Airsoft Team OSMD, and today I've got my ICS M16 DMR, and I have an M140 spring in it. Normally I run this at about 380 FPS with .2s. I haven't chronoed it because my chrono's down, but I'd imagine that with the perfect air seal I'm getting with this M140 spring, I should be getting between 500 and 550 FPS, which is pretty crazy. I think it's closer to 550, and I have, what brand are these? G4.40s, orange BBs, loaded in a high cap, and that target is 100 yards away. And if you can't tell, because the camera's moving, it's because it's mounted to my scope, and it's going to be pain in the ass to get this thing to try and prove a distance, but I'm going to try it anyway. My Bushnell rangefinder, and oh my god, this is hard. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Jeez, that's hard. Okay, 97 yards. Enough of that. Hopefully I'll have an easier time hitting it. Just be aware that the camera is mounted about 4 inches above my scope, so I may have to hold over and you might not be able to see it, so we'll just play it by ear, but I'm going to have to tilt it quite a bit, actually. Adjust my hop up. I do have an R-hop in this, so let me get it shooting straight once. Looks like they're dropping. It's hard for me to see them. Let alone get sighted. It's quite hard, actually. 100 yards isn't any easy task. I'm gonna keep trying though. Looks like they're going pretty close to it. I think I'm actually tagging it. Hit. 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 Wow, this is pretty amazing, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Hit, hit, hit. So, out of about a 6 to 7 round burst on semi-auto, I'm tagging it with 40s at 100 yards, 97 yards. And those are 2 hits there. Hit, hit. Hit, hit. I think I heard a metal over there. So I definitely cannot do that at 400 FPS, 100 yards. I don't know if you guys have ever actually measured out 100 yards and tried to shoot, but it's just not possible. Even with an R-hop, I don't really give a crap what everybody else says. I've never seen a video where someone actually measured out the distance and shot 100 yards, so hope you guys appreciate what I'm doing to give evidence, actual concrete evidence, measuring the distance, the whole 9 yards, to prove that with an R-hop and 40s you can consistently hit a target smaller than a man's size at 100 yards. Just about the size of someone crouching. So this has been Silenceddeath from Airsoft Team OSMD, guys, and as always, have a good day.